Hello, this is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping. We are here in Kentwood, Michigan. Wanted to do a final video of our patio project here. The challenge of this project is we had no access. As you can see behind me, we got a fence that surrounds the entire backyard, and that extends all the way up to the front and on both sides and then ties into the side of the house. So we just were able to get a wheelbarrow through the gate. And so we had to ship all the materials in and out, all the pavers, all of the subgrade material, and this decorative gravel behind me that you see used to be what was the material for the patio. So they did not like the way that felt on their feet. Obviously, it's not comfortable when you're barefoot. You can't set your chair on it. It's all wobbly and not very comfortable. So we came in and we put down this beautiful Origins 12 Belgard product. And the fire pit area was actually existing here. And so we took that out and we laid down the entire patio area and we cut out a circle and we reinstalled that existing fire pit, that raised fire pit ring. So now they've got a brand new 18-foot diameter patio. It's perfect for their family. They can fit plenty of people around it and enjoy fires on the weekends and just on all these summer nights here for many years to come. So just wanted to show you what we did here, and thank you so much for following us. This is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping.